ASUS router power LED blinking red, fiber connection fix. Step 1. Disconnect the fiber optic cable from your ASUS router. Gently unplug the fiber optic cable from the WAN port on your ASUS router. Hold the connector head, not the cable itself, to avoid damage. Check the connector and port for dust or damage and clean them if needed. This ensures the cable can deliver a stable fiber signal when reconnected. Step 2. Power off your ASUS router. Turn off the router using the power button or by unplugging it from the outlet. Wait until all lights go off completely. This clears temporary glitches that might be causing the blinking red light or connection failure. Keep your router powered off for about 30 seconds. Step 3. Reconnect the fiber optic. Before reconnecting the fiber optic cable, pause for 30 seconds. This pause allows the device to fully reset its internal memory and discharge any stored power, ensuring a clean restart when powered back on. Step 4. Reconnect the fiber optic cable to your ASUS router. Carefully insert the fiber cable back in the WAN port until it clicks into place. Make sure it's straight, secure, and not bent or twisted. A firm connection helps restore a reliable fiber signal to your router. Step 5. Power on your ASUS router. Plug the power adapter back in and turn on the router. Wait a minute or two for it to boot up. If the power LED turns solid white or blue, your connection is fixed. If it is still blinking red, restart your fiber modem or contact your ISP for support.